Welcome again to the casual questions and answers session with me, Dr. Group, at Global Healing Center. I have an interesting question from Allison, which is a really common question in this day and age. Allison has two twin daughters. Both of them are 2 years old, and they seem to be having problems with their bowel movements. Of course, their pediatrician told her actually, to give them laxatives. So, she's asking, what can we do for her two twin daughters? First of all, the worst thing you can possibly do is give your daughters laxatives. Laxatives are broken down into different categories, either stimulant or osmotic or non-stimulant laxatives, and laxatives can cause serious damage to the bowel lining over time. As a matter of fact, most prescription medications, list constipation as a side effect, so most people end up being on laxatives and laxatives and laxatives, and when the bowel is not able to function the way it's supposed to function, the nerve endings and the muscles that surround the bowel that contract the bowel and cause the normal peristaltic movements end up degrading and atrophying. So technically you can ruin your bowel for life if you're on laxatives at an early age. And that's how we have so many bowel problems today. It's completely safe for children to use a natural oxygen-based intestinal cleanser. I recommend Oxy powder, of course, just reducing the dosage, and they can actually put a little bit of that in their banana and take that, and that's an easy and safe and gentle way to address constipation in children. Of course, what we really want to do is we want to look at the root cause of the constipation and find out what's causing your daughters to not have regular bowel movements. Now that could be caused by a multitude of things, but the first thing I would do is make sure that they've been adjusted by a chiropractor, because a lot of times children, with the way they play all the time, will have a pinched nerve in their back, or they'll have an alteration in their spine. And once you adjust them, those are the nerves that are going to the bowel, and the bowel will start to be regular again. Also, make sure they drink plenty of good, clean water. Add some additional organic apple cider vinegar into the water. That will help. And make sure that they eat fruit. Every morning for breakfast, everybody should eat fruit. That's the body's elimination cycle. The body at night clears itself out, eliminates all the toxins, and in the morning, first thing your body needs and wants is fruit. Fruit contains oxygen, it contains vitamins, it contains minerals, it contains fiber, it contains every single thing your body needs to help you eliminate all the toxins that your body processed the night before. So I would definitely look at the dietary habits, try to avoid heavy foods, try to avoid mixing proteins and starches in the same meal. For example, a hamburger, which you have a bun and meat in the middle. The bun would be a starch and the hamburger a protein, and really look at trying to clean up the diet program. We'll be adding a cleansing diet to our website at www.ghchealth.com probably this week. So you'll also be able to look at that for some additional guidelines that you can use. Thank you.